Hello again. I have some very exciting news to share and a special offer that will only be available for a limited time this new year. As you know, here on my Pronunciation Pro YouTube channel, I provide training videos all about American English pronunciation, accent, and how to have a confident pro mindset while speaking English. But did you also know that I have a full online training program at pronunciationpro.com? where I provide our members with all of the training and live support that you need to speak clear and confident American English in an easy-to-follow step-by-step system. Our members have gone on to make more money, feel more connected, and use their voice so they can fully live their purpose. And I want the same for you. Are you feeling stuck and frustrated right now about the way that you speak English? You know what to say, but when you say it, you're asked, "What? Can you repeat that? Say that again." Or even worse, you go to speak to native speakers and instead of speaking fluently, your mind goes completely blank and you nervously stumble through your words. Do you feel alone and frustrated in your journey to speak clear and confident American English? Do you wish you had a personal American trainer or mentor to show you exactly what to do so your path is simple and clear? You are not alone, and there is a clear path. If you want the fastest and most guaranteed path to speaking clear and confident American English, then you'll love the changes we've made to our more advanced Plus and Premier memberships. We've restructured the program and lowered the prices, and if you stay to the end of this video, you'll also learn about this limited time discount that we're offering at Pronunciation Pro. We all know that when you get to the intermediate to advanced level in your spoken English, that you need higher level, more direct and specific feedback on your pronunciation and accent to make real and lasting improvements. The way you learn grammar and vocabulary is not the same way you learn correct pronunciation and accent. You need a trained ear and a qualified teacher that can show you exactly what you're doing wrong and how to fix it. This is something that you won't get with YouTube videos or a voice recognition app, AI tools, or a group class. You need to be understood and to be confident using your voice in English. I want to make sure that you have access to the highest level, most advanced training so that you are supported and can reach your goal even faster. Here's how the new Plus and Premier memberships work. You will have access to all of the resources, video courses, practice materials, and group events offered through the Pronunciation Pro online training program. In addition, with the Plus and Premier memberships, you'll also have access to regular live online lessons with your personal trainer. For the Plus membership, each month you will have 4 pro credits to use for personal training. You'll start your membership with a full accent assessment for one of those pro credits. This full accent assessment and report will give you a clear path and understanding of what is different between you and a native speaker. We'll outline the error patterns in your spoken English and give you a detailed plan of how to fix them, so you sound more like a native speaker as soon as possible. Next, you'll be able to sign up for live lessons with your personal trainer. You can use your pro credits however you'd like. You can see the options in the frequently asked questions section of the Pronunciation Pro website under Learn More on the pricing page, so that you can find out how you can use your pro credits. The Premier membership is the exact same, except instead of 4 pro credits every month, you will have 8 pro credits to work with your personal trainer. More time with your personal trainer leads to faster results. We are here to be your personal trainers and mentors as you grow in your communication skills in English. We will help you refine your pronunciation and accent, your grammar and vocabulary, and your conversational skills in English. We will help you succeed in your job interviews, your English placement tests, and your presentations at work. We will help you confidently speak up in meetings, connect with English speakers, and build the confidence you need to go after your dream. Now, I want to be as transparent as possible, so let me tell you some things you definitely need to understand. There is a 3-month minimum for the Plus and Premier memberships because we want you to get results. Our most successful students take anywhere between 3 months to 1 year to reach their goals for their spoken English. The speed of your transformation depends on how consistently you show up and do the work, and we are here to help every step of the way. You can cancel within 3 months with a $50 cancellation fee. I also want you to be aware that your pro credits must be used each month or you lose them. This is so you have the incentive to stay consistent with your live lessons. Over the last 15 years, we've worked with over 13,000 students and know that this is how our most successful students have achieved their amazing results. Okay, now that we have the logistics out of the way, let me tell you about our special offer. In addition to this new structure and the already lowered prices, for a very limited time, we are offering an additional $50 off our Plus and Premier memberships, and this applies every month of your active membership. So instead of $1,000 or $2,500 for the Plus and Premier memberships, you can get started with this personalized program for as little as $197 per month. And if you have any questions about this new program, I'm hosting a live webinar on January 4th, 2024, where you can learn more and ask questions. The link is below. We cannot wait to help you speak clear and confident American English so you can make more money, feel more connected, and use your voice and live your purpose. You are not alone. We're here for you. Follow the link below to get this special offer.
Pronunciation Pro.